we're back with Jordy's E36.
She came in yesterday looking all Sailor Moon and shit.
I'm gonna let him explain what he's been doing while I've been working on the yacht. Get you guys up to date.
Basically, engine's in. Everything's good to go, besides cooling system and an exhaust. Cooling system will be done today. Exhaust, I cannot find one anywhere. My weakest link, front end's on. Everything's good besides an exhaust. Let's leave it at that. This is Chase from Chase Bays. We had to do a little modification because I had the wrong power steering pump for the kit he sent, which I didn't know there was different ones. Chase Bays filler neck. Welded on, courtesy of Spoon. No expansion tank on this thing because they look dumb and this looks cooler to me.
Jordy's gonna record me putting in this pretty little thing.
Let's see how long it takes Kylie to figure out the routing for it. I forgot that we've already done this before. So you should know how it goes.
Goes under, over.
Can I tell you that's wrong already? It's not what you expect it to be.
Okay, wait. Just kidding.
Sorry everybody, I slept and I wasn't recording. I messed up. But Kylie did it all by herself.
Why do you have to lie like that? Jordy did it, everyone. I gave up because that was kind of difficult.
Okay.
Whatever. You want to explain how you made that bracket?
I cut it, I put it in a vise. I don't know how else I would explain it. I could have bought it.
So it took like a little hose to make a border so it doesn't smack against.
Yeah, when I put the radiator in, I didn't like how high it sat. I thought it looked dumb. I didn't think it should sit higher than the support. We got new hoses, because obviously new swap, new hoses. Makes sense. But Kylie loves to learn, so Kylie's going to figure out which is the top and which is the bottom.
Why are they dusty?
So far, she's doing so good. She just has to use her big girl muscles now.
My hands hurt, man.
From what? Sanding? If anyone doesn't know, Kylie started an apprenticeship.
Don't make the noises, please. Don't make the noises.
Good job, Kai. Just forgetting one little thing.
You didn't give me them.
Alright, so I saw some on, I think it was Facebook. The guy marks the hose clamps and then he heat shrinks them in black so they blend in with the hoses and you barely even see that there's hose clamps. So I'm going to try and see if it actually works because I'm curious. Okay, I'm holding the microphone because I don't want to clip it on. I remade Chase's bracket. No, this one's for power steering cooler, so I need a new one. Holes don't line up.
Sorry, Chase from Chase Bays.
Great guy.
The next day.
You made him look half decent.
Compared to what they were?
Compared to where I was going to let him go on the car as.
New and improved. Especially this one.
I love your energy. Thanks, Anthony. Look at those rims.
Good lip.
It's good, right? What lip is that? It's another bumper and it's cut in half.
It's gonna move the car off the jack. Oh! I knew that was gonna happen.
Take 5, 6.
Oh my god.
There's no way.
Peligroso, papi. Danger.
She was a fairy.
Let me get it. I'm heavier than you.
Oh.
Watch your ankle.
Man, 1 inch.
No
way. I've never seen that happen in my life.
Yeah, me either, Jim.
Jordy, what did you do?
That is the funniest shit.
Got the big guns.
It's a snow.
I don't think it moved.
Hold the fuck break. Oh, that's a our fucking genius asses.
Yeah, we're smart.
Good job, right. Oh yeah.
Oh my god. Don't worry, he's got 19 more to go.
Why did you do that? I didn't do anything.
Kai really pissed him off.
Amazon ass.
That's what happened.
That's not what happened.
That's exactly what happened.
Or break it.
Did it just smoke? You think I can do it?
Yeah,
Give it a shot. Watch your break apart break. Nice.
I like the stance.
Go.
Gross.
Back looks nice, huh?
Hold it. Nice cut.
Jordy locked himself out of his own car. Nope. Nope. Be back tomorrow.
Back in business.
What you got going on?
Fans, because I forgot fans were a crucial part of everything.
Nice.
So we got 2 dead bitches on there.
That's a funnel.
God.
Crank it up a few times if it doesn't feel okay. Something in the front. Grab a ratchet with a 19.
Is there something in the cylinder? Okay, let's pull all the plugs so the engine has no compression. Yeah, look, that's the Vanos. Yeah, you feel it. I think it's the Vanos. I don't think it's the Vanos. I think it's this gear on there. It's a floating gear. So what I would do is I would just put out TDC real quick and then they pop the Vanos off. It sucks, but it's just RTV on. You know?
Yeah, no, I'm not worried about that.
What's going on?
Whoa.
Whoa, Jaggy.
We got a problem. Too bad Thanos isn't here to snap away this problem.
Okay, yeah, so Jordy, what
Retiming the Vanos, not Thanos.
we thought it was one of the off, but I think we both just weren't looking at the right thing. So the Vanos is off time, and it feels like it wasn't seated or something. Like the gear was, the Vanos gear was
clicking or
slipping.
something.
So we're gonna half-ass.
Or say, just needs a tune.
20 degrees off is crazy.
Shut the fuck up.
Emotional damage.
They think they fixed it. It's a win-lose situation.
It's a win-lose here, buddy. We fixed this chain timing, which is great because that would have been. We would have ran. We wouldn't have known why. And then, but the Vanos is bad. You could hear it tripping. I wonder if it'll like just fix itself once oil pressure gets in it. You know, we could play that game.
I don't really want to play that game, honestly.
Well, Jordy's seeing 2 BMW enthusiasts tomorrow, so we'll see if they have a Vanos assembly. Be back tomorrow. Someone's been busy. Yes. And we're back.
Yay! Thanks, good job, Kai.
Was I supposed to hold it up?
You're the hood prop.
More like the hood thought.
That's crazy.
That was good though, right?
I'll
you're
give you
feeling
that.
that?
Yeah, I'll give you
Sorry,
that.
Kai. I mean, even if it's not it, we had to check it off the list. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Where's the hole?
It's not the first time you said that.
Push and spin. What's wrong this time?
Don't foreshadow.
Yep.
It's definitely the chain.
It's the only thing that bounces.
Jim's got the tool out again.
Scope.
DJ, are you still helping or what? You were bragging about all this work you were doing before, and I don't see you doing shit now.
Dry. I mean, it has a release, so it's hard to try and move it any way you can. This sucks. This is nuts. Come here. You know how there's a little keyway in the crank that holds the crank pulley in place? It wasn't seated and got impacted in position.
Oh no.
So that's the keyway crushed into the gear, broke the gear, and that's what keeps grabbing the chain and popping. Yeah. So that's why that must have spun. That's why we were off time.
How'd you do that, then?
Oh, I got told impacted on.
Yeah, someone got a little too horny with the Milwaukee.
Words for the people, please.
I f***ed up. Simple as that. Negligence of making sure the keyway was lined up failed. I pushed it into the crank.
It's okay. We love a man who can admit his wrongs. Wash those hands, and we'll try again another day. Jordy's already got another engine lined up, so don't think this is the end of the story. We will be back.
That car will be moving within a week.
Yes, quote us on that. But until then,
Donate to my GoFundMe. Like, comment, subscribe.